Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll look at an optional workflow for transferring prosthetic construction with finalized aesthetic treatment. For these situations, working in Stackable Guide Design Wizard mode risks damaging the surface. The solution is creating a transfer guide for safe relocation without attachment-related modifications. Let's review the workflow algorithm. First step, create a guide for the prosthetic construction. Select the surface from the list, navigate to the Surgical Guide tab, and enable Surface-Based Surgical Guide Creation mode. Prior to working, turn off Implant Visualization. Follow the standard guide creation workflow, then transfer the finished result into the project. Next, begin processing the generated guide. Open the editor and use the Boolean Connect tool to attach the locks. Then, using the bar tool, bridge the locks to the guide. And finalize the workflow by cutting the holes. Use the Abutment Cylinder tool in the Cut section of the editor. When the Cut All on the Screen checkbox is enabled, the operation is applied to both the guide and the prosthetic construction simultaneously.